I wanted to come on and show you guys this new shaver that I got. So I was given this product to review and it's pretty awesome so far. This is the Hummingbird MK17 shaver. It's done a really great job of keeping my face maintained for the beard that I have. The shaver's pretty compact and light. It's so hard to know what something's like until you actually open it up and use it. And I was really kind of surprised. So everything comes in this little kit here. The shaver goes right on here. You've got your guard. The shaver itself is actually the charging port for this. So it has a USB-C connection right here in the back, and it connects to a USB-C as well. You're going to need the power brick or the power source after. So I have this little brick right here. Just plug this right in. We'll unplug the toothbrush and put this right in here. And you can see right here that it shows that it's charging right here on the front. Now to change the settings on here, once again, we'll just take off the guard. And initially you have the close shave or the get rid of everything right here. To change this out for the actual trimmer, you just press these two buttons right here along the side and this will pop right off. And then you can put this right here on the side while you put this one right on, and it just snaps right into place. And then you replace it with the other one inside the little kit. Then you have all the guards. You've got 4 different guards right here. You've got your 3mm, 6mm, all the way up to your 12mm guards right here. So you can change whatever size or whatever length that you want of your beard. But with this, I found that it's given me a pretty close shave. Once again, I was kind of hesitant, or I didn't really know what to think when I got this because there are so many different shavers out there, and it does a really great job. It also comes with, the cleaning kit as well, so that way you can brush off any hair that gets on here. To power it on, you press this button on the right side, and you'll see it turn right on. If you press the power button again, you'll see that it turns off. So if you press it back on and then press the button on the right, it'll change the mode of the shaver, and there's 3 different modes. These all go by the amount of RPMs for the device. But with this here, as you can see, I've got about 96% left, and I've been using this for about the past day, and it really does a great job at just getting a close shave without cutting the skin. So I really like that a lot. And then once you're done with it, just brush off the hair, clean it off, and then clean the sink afterwards. But yeah, no, I like this a lot. This is great for travel. It's really small, portable. It's smaller than the size of my hand. It goes right up to about my knuckles. Easy to pack up and take with you. It's nice because you have the power or the charging case all right here, your guard and everything that you need. So I would definitely recommend this. I hope you guys check this out.